this will be a really nice soap that I've been wanting to try, and now I have a moment of time where I can. So you can see those swirls in there. That is actually sheep's milk and goat's milk that I added in. The reason why I added into the oils instead of doing it in the lye solution is because sheep's milk has a ton of natural fat in it. And I did it once where I did ice cubes, and I did it in a cold water bath and did the lye, and it it was bad. I had to throw it all out. It just got all curdled, and basically the lye saponified those fats. So I was able to use it, but if I put it in this way, then it works. And I will blend it in. I'll emulsify this before I add in the lye solution. Now the lye solution, if you can see, you're probably wondering why it looks so funky, and that's because I added corn silk to it. I have, actually I backtrack, the sheep's milk in here is from a local 4-H family, and I thought it'd be fun to do that. So I have the sheep's milk from their sheep, and then the corn silk came from another local family who's also in 4-H with our kids, and this is homegrown corn that we actually just had some, and I did dehydrate the corn silk. I cut it up and I put in about 2 tablespoons of the corn silk into very hot the lye solution, which I'm actually going to cut over to show here in a second, and I'm going to strain it out before I put it in there because I don't want all those little pieces that didn't dissolve in there. So the silk, instead of using traditional silk, this is obviously from corn, so there's no silkworms that are being affected here, but I do want to strain that out, but it's supposed to give a nice silkiness to the soap. So I'm going to go ahead, cut over to doing that. I'm going to pour them into my column mold, so it'll be a simple, round, beautiful soap, and I am going to gel it, so it's going to have a nice toasty color. And I have heard that corn silk, I mean, you can see that that's obviously not clear water. It turned it kind of a yellow color. The soap will probably be a nice creamy color when it's done. So I'm gonna go ahead, cut over to the lye, and then I'm gonna cut back to me making this. Oh, and it's gonna be unscented. So it's going to be like a double milk or a milk and silk. It's gonna be a really nice soap.